I'm Richard Tubb, this is the Tubbservatory, and here are my 5 a week from the managed service provider space. With artificial intelligence being at the forefront of MSPs' minds in 2025, a video that caught my eye is how threat actors use Microsoft Copilot. Host Andy Serwitz and guest Philip Gallia discuss the security implications of Microsoft's AI assistant Copilot on Hornet Security's Security Swarm podcast. Now, the bottom line here is Copilot makes it easy for nosy or malicious insiders to quickly surface sensitive information that they may not have proper access to. So I'd highly recommend watching this video to prepare you and your clients. Now, are you a busy MSP but feeling a bit embarrassed by your website? Well, if so, you are not alone, and this new book will be for you. WebProud, the 5-step roadmap to feeling proud of your website again, is a new read from marketing experts Pascal Fintoni and Johnny Ross. Now, this book will show you how to conduct a comprehensive website health check, attract the right audience, convert visitors into valuable inquiries, and ultimately become proud of your website again. A highly recommended read. Now, an ebook that caught my attention is Navigating Recruitment Challenges in the MSP Sector, Trends and Strategies for 2025 by Jane Matthews of Wildcat Careers. If you're looking to recruit staff this year, and most MSPs are, then this ebook provides valuable insights. If you're looking to make more of your video content in 2025, then a tool that myself and Team Tubb have found very useful is Choppity. Now, Choppity uses AI to find the best moments from your longer form videos and then turns them into short clips for sharing on social media. And finally, scammers, you've got a new enemy in 2025, and it is Grandma. O2 have created human-like Daisy, an AI granny, to answer calls in real time from fraudsters, keeping them on the phone and away from customers for as long as possible. Thank you to Jamie Claret for recommending this. Everybody loves a freebie, right? Well, we kick this week off with a huge giveaway of free, valuable things for managed service providers. Organised by MSP legends Karl Palachuk, with offerings from industry experts such as Paul Green, Heather Johnson, myself and many more, go and grab yourself a freebie to start 2025. Now, if you've wondered how the Screen Connect breach, or indeed any of the big breaches of 2024 took place, then mark Tuesday in your diary as Huntress Tradecraft Tuesday looks back at 2024's most notable moments in tradecraft before then breaking out the crystal ball and looking at the trends and tactics that we anticipate will dominate the threat landscape in 2025. Join live to see what promises to be an amazing session. Now, January is notoriously a challenging month for mental health, so here's a heartwarming initiative from SuperOps around MSP wellness. SuperOps encouraged a number of well-known MSP names to send postcards to colleagues expressing their gratitude. The results are definitely heartwarming. Kudos to SuperOps on this, a well-timed reminder that this is a community that supports one another. A new platform that caught my eye is OneClickComply, a UK-based startup business aimed firmly at the managed service provider market. OneClickComply does exactly what it says on the tin, making managing cybersecurity controls and compliance easier than ever by automating all the technical work to implement and manage controls across the tools and systems that MSPs use. And finally, documentation doesn't have to suck. Join me, Karl Palachuk, Marnie Stockman and other experts for a free micro-conference designed to tackle the one thing every MSP seemingly loves to hate, documentation. Taking place on Tuesday, January the 14th and hosted by our friends at GoesInter, we hope to ensure that your 2025 really doesn't suck. Registration is now open. In a competitive managed service market flooded with cybercrime, manual processes, compliance regulations and constant client demands, it can be challenging to scale your managed service provider business. So I'm honoured to have been asked to write the foreword for the MSP Playbook to Working Harder, Not Smarter by Paul Schnackenberg and Amy Babinchak. The MSP Playbook provides actionable strategies that will help you optimise your business operations and boost productivity in a rapidly changing industry. This ebook is a free download thanks to Hornet Security, and you'd be crazy not to go and grab your copy now. And if you're looking for MSP coaching for your business in 2025, then MSP legend Erick Simpson has opened up spaces in his MSP Mastered program. Now, Simpson's renowned MSP program helps managed service providers overcome business challenges, improve service efficiencies, sell more profitable MRR agreements, and increase the value of your managed service provider business. Sign up for MSP Mastered is now open. News that UK-based DaaS Portal have launched version 2 of their Device as a Service platform for UK MSPs. DaaS Portal promises to make deploying and managing devices a breeze for MSPs, and if you want to find out more about their offering, check out my interview with their founder, Dave Tilley. Microsoft have just launched Copilot Vision in Edge, the first AI that can navigate the internet with you in real time. Now, to find out more, AI expert Rowan Chung sat down with CEO of Microsoft AI, Mustafa Suleiman, and the video is fascinating. This is well worth a watch if you want to keep your finger on the pulse of the fast-moving AI scene. And finally, IT Nation Connect Europe 2025 comes to London on the 10th and 12th of March 2025, and it promises to be huge. IT Nation Connect Europe is a 3-day event designed for MSPs who want to enhance their business value and gain a competitive edge in today's rapidly evolving technology landscape. The knowledge, connections and opportunities you can gain from this event can transform your MSP business and position you for sustainable growth and profitability in 2025. So don't miss out. Registration for IT Nation Connect Europe 2025 is now open. With so many MSPs looking to outsource in 2025, it's time to address the myths that surround outsourcing. The ebook 7 Outsourcing Myths Debunked from Uptime is a valuable resource for any managed service provider looking to outsource their NOC, SOC, help desk or projects. Implemented in the right way, MSP outsourcing is a surefire way to growth and something all forward-looking MSPs should be well educated on. So download this ebook for free now. News that after the recent acquisition, the community side of CompTIA will be spun off from the education business and rebranded to the Global Technology Industry Association, or GTIA. GTIA will represent tens of thousands of professionals from more than 2,000 MSPs, solution providers, tech vendors, distributors, and other companies globally that comprise the channel. Now here's a podcast that caught my ear. MSP Chat is hosted by MSP industry legends Erick Simpson and Rich Freeman, and each episode looks at what's new in the managed service provider space. Available on YouTube and all your favourite podcast players now. Yes, that viral LinkedIn post that you read was probably AI generated. Wired magazine looks at a new analysis that estimates that over half of longer English language posts on LinkedIn are artificial intelligence generated. And I can assure you, this is the real me and not AI, I think. And finally, on the subject of LinkedIn, the UK's only conference focused on LinkedIn best practice returns to Birmingham, UK on the 27th of March 2025. I attended last year's Uplift Live, and it was a phenomenal event organised by LinkedIn experts John Aspirian, Gus Bandel and Jeremy Freeman, that helps you take LinkedIn from just another platform to your biggest business asset. Limited tickets are now available. Feel free to mention my name when booking, and I'll see you there. We kick this week off with an incredible value resource, all made available for free. Cybersecurity experts Mostyn Thomas and Matt Lee have helped create a downloadable CIS control handbook that is incredibly comprehensive and is a great way for managed service providers to adopt the Centre for Internet Security Controls. And additionally, Pax8 have shared a raft of tools and resources to support MSPs in getting their own business set up to achieve lower rates of cybersecurity insurance. So if you're serious about cybersecurity, then check this resource out. And talking of cybersecurity, Amber Montgomery of Smarter MSP has created a roundup of the top viewed cybersecurity threat advisories in 2024. From targeted industry attacks to zero-click vulnerabilities and high CVSS flaws, they are all here. If you're not already, I'd recommend signing up for Smarter MSP's Cybersecurity Threat Advisory Alerts. Powered by Barracuda MSP, these alerts keep you highlighted on emerging threats. MSP legend Karl Palachuk has released a new blog series, and it's called Lessons Learned. The series starts with Palachuk's last real job and goes through the sale of his last managed IT service provider business. Now, Karl is a guy I learned so much about managed services from, so I can't recommend his work highly enough to MSPs who want to learn more about the business of managed services. Now, here's a cool gadget that will be of interest to MSPs. Jet KVM is a next generation open source KVM or keyboard video mouse that allows you to take control over any computer over IP. And the cost, just $69. So this is well worth checking out. And finally, put February the 6th in your calendar for a 2025 cybersecurity outlook, predictions, challenges and trends. Join Barracuda MSP security experts Adam Khan and Riaz Lakhani for an insightful discussion on the evolving threat landscape, featuring predictions and best practices to prepare for the year ahead. Registration is now open. I'm Richard Tubb, and that has been your 5 a week from the MSP industry. If you've enjoyed this video, then you probably enjoy my weekly letter to the MSP industry. MSP Insights is sent out every Tuesday morning, and you can subscribe now at tubb.co/NL. But I'll see you back here next Friday for another Tubbservatory.